Today was probably one of the most significant days I've seen yet in the markets. And there is an old expression, no one rings a bell. And what that expression means is that there's no warning when there's a major top or a major bottom. It's not like somebody rings a bell and tells you. Well, in my experience, sometimes they do ring a bell. In fact, oftentimes there are many bells that are rung. The problem is people don't hear them, or if they hear them, they don't understand them. And that also happens in bubbles, because bubbles always find a pin. But if you don't know you're in a bubble, you generally don't see the pin. And if you don't understand that there's a problem, even if there's a bell that's rung, you're likely to be dismissive because you don't get the meaning of that bell. But today, they rang the mother of all bells. The bell was in England, in the United Kingdom. The Bank of England was the first major central bank to blink in this global game of chicken. The Bank of England has already pivoted and has returned to quantitative easing. Now, this is very significant because up until yesterday, the governor of the Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, he was just as hawkish as Jerome Powell. He was talking tough about how resolute the Bank of England was to fighting inflation. They've got the highest inflation